Welcome to this quick guide on accessing your favorites feed on Instagram, updated for 2026. If you've ever wondered how to curate a more personalized view of the content you actually care about, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps so you can jump straight into a stream of posts that matter most to you. First, open the Instagram app on your device. It's the place you already spend time scrolling, liking, and sharing moments with friends, creators, and brands. Once the app is open, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This takes you to your personal space where your bio, posts, and activity live together in one place. Next, you'll want to access the menu. Tap the three-line icon located at the top right corner of your profile page. This opens a compact panel with several options that control how you experience Instagram. From here, you're just a short scroll away from your favorites, which is where you can fine-tune what you see. Scroll down within that menu until you find the section labeled What You See. In this area, you'll see a list of content controls and shortcuts. Tap on Favorites. This opens a dedicated feed where posts from accounts you've marked as favorites appear. Alongside any other content Instagram decides is relevant to you based on your interactions. In Favorites, you'll notice a clearer, more targeted mix of posts from the people and creators you've prioritized. This isn't just about saving posts for later, it's about shaping your daily Instagram experience so you see more of what you love and less of what doesn't spark interest. If you want to adjust what lands in this feed, you can revisit the favorite settings at any time via the same menu path to add or remove favorites. A quick tip: regularly review who you've added to favorites. Your tastes evolve, and keeping that list up to date ensures the feed stays aligned with your current interests. If you ever want to compare this with your general feed, you can toggle between tabs or use the Save Post features to keep a broader library without losing your targeted favorites. That's all there is to accessing your favorites feed on Instagram. With a refreshed list of favorites, your scrolling becomes faster, more enjoyable, and distinctly you. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more bite-sized Instagram tips, and share your favorite creators you've added to favorites in the comments.